recording? All right. Just making sure that oil don't fall back there. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Eddie. Today, we're just chilling. I don't know what else to say. Today, I'm just gonna go around. I just finished cleaning up the garage. Let me just show you some pictures here. You know, it was extremely messy after I did the tires, plus the winter, leaves getting in, but we're good to go now. What is it blowing up my phone? But yeah, anyway, sorry for the rude interruption. Ooh, that's a nice one. You know, this is why I love the summertime. All the nice cars come out. You know, you get to enjoy it, enjoy the views. But yeah guys, today we're just gonna hang out. Why is the heater on? Oh my god. Yeah, so today we're just gonna hang out. I just finished cleaning the garage, as you guys just saw. Got a bunch of metal in the trunk. We're gonna go to a scrap yard, see if we can make any money. We're also gonna go to AutoZone, drop off our oil. In case you ever have a bunch of oil and you don't know what to do with it, and you don't want to dispose of it illegally, then I always suggest going to your local AutoZone or your local garage, and they'll accept it. I know AutoZone does it for free. That's always where I actually dump my oil. And you see that Poland, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll show you when we get out the car. But I got a Poland Spring 5 jug. I fill it up every time I, do an oil change. And after a few uses, then I'll just bring that big jug over here and dump it in one shot, instead of coming every time I do an oil change. Nice and easy. So don't mind the mess back there. It's totally fine. So we're gonna see if we can make some money. I mean, it'll be the first time that I'm doing this, so thanks for joining me. And I hope it gives you guys some insight. I'm so driving like an old man right now. The last thing I need is for that oil. All right, Grandma. You guys saw that? That was Grandma passing me. Yeah, I usually put it behind my seat. That way it can hold its place. But everything is down because I got so much going on in the back right now. So right now, that oil is just standing up. It's not even secured. I'm hoping the weight just keeps it standing up, so. Well, we're almost there. 2 minutes away. I know people are so mad right now that I'm driving so damn slow. Look at this. #1 spot. In the front, luckily, I got the best parking spot in the world. Wow, it got so hot in here so quick. It's not even that hot outside. Alright, what's next? Next is the post office. That way we can do a return. Alright guys, so now we're gonna head to the post office. That way we can do a return. I tried like this gum thing. This thing here, it's on Amazon. It's called Super Comfort Powder. It says it's for your gums, and it was supposed to regrow your gums and stuff like that. And probably fake reviewers said that this will make your gums grow. They noticed like the gaps in between their teeth growing back. And I was like, let me try it out. $18.99 for this bad boy. So I was like, all right, what I got to lose? So I tried it out. Man, this thing just made my gums even more sensitive. I was like, oh, come on. So I stopped using it, and now I'm sending it back. Luckily, I don't gotta pay for shipping or anything, so that's a plus. But yeah, I have like this gum recession. I mean, I know it happens as you get older, but I'm not comfortable with it yet. So I'm trying to maintain. But when I do find the solution, I'll be sure to let you guys know. Come on, AC. Any slower. Thank you, sir. So kind. Alright guys, so we're back on the road right now. On my way to the scrapyard. Yeah. See, in my head, whenever I have like an errand day, I try to map it out so I can effectively catch each one in the most efficient way. Like AutoZone was up there, then I drove down to the post office. Now I'm driving more down to go to the scrapyard, and then I'm gonna circle back around to Target because I gotta hit Target real quick. and then I could come back up. So yeah, I wish I could show you guys a map that's in my head and how I work it. But every time I step in my car, I take a quick moment to think, because I want to make sure I take care of everything before I go home. I don't want to forget not one thing. Yeah, I think a lot, don't I? But if you can relate, give me a hashtag relatable in the comment section. So, changed my mind just a little bit. Gonna hit Target. I was circling around, came off the highway and found this one. Found Target first, so just gonna hit up Target. And I'm gonna move my car because it's in a bad spot. Well, I think I'll be okay. But yeah, let's go to Target and take care of what we need to. So supposedly I gotta go around the corner. All right guys, so I just spoke to the guy right now. He looked at it, he said it was steel. He said go right around the corner. There's a big wide gate and I should get a pink ticket from him. Then that would allow me to go back to see him after they scale it up over here. And I could bring it in. So let's see. All right, so I just spoke to the guy right now. He said drive in, park behind this truck. I mean, it's my first time being here, so I don't know where the hell I'm supposed to be in regards to these junkyards, but man, the operation here is crazy. Not only that, they got a bunch of rotors. Man, just take a quick look at this. Hey, what's up? So I have some items right now. He said it was steel, that I should come here to get it weighed.
Okay, get on the scale, they're going to weigh you out right there.
Okay. Not for nothing, it's a little too close for comfort. But in any case, guys, we're here again. Let's go in. Whew. Boy, is it getting hot outside. But bam! Got some money. I should show you the better side. Oh, bam! Look at that. Hey! I got, wait, let me just count it this way. 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $37 for doing scrap metal work. Not so bad. I mean, now whenever I have rotors, anything, I guess I'll be good to go. Yeah, so let's see the breakdown. Steel had about 80 pounds. That was $5.60. We got about 6 pounds dirty aluminum, 9 pounds of steel, and a catalytic converter. And that totaled out to $30.99. So at the end of the day, hey, if you have some extra scrap metal laying around, then this is your perfect opportunity to get some money. But all right, guys, now we're gonna head home and take it from there. At the end of the day, not for nothing as well, it feels good because you're getting paid for recycling. Usually you're recycling not to get a ticket. You always have that fear. At least here you can come, drop off your stuff and not have to worry, you know? This feels great. Now to head home, let's go this way. Damn, do I feel so smart right now. I still can't believe this, man. So bam, look at that. We cleaned up the garage, spent a little time together, and made some money. If you ask me, it's only the morning, and the day is starting off just right. I'm loving this right now. So, what's next on the agenda? Oh yeah, it's gym time. I need to go home, have a big meal, that way I can hit the gym, get an awesome pump. So guys, thanks for joining me today. You know, at the end of the day, I hope you're gonna start recycling as well. Get some money, save your metals, steel, scrap, whatever you have. And when that time comes, come to the junkyard, get a nice payout, and do good for the environment at the same time. Well, I shouldn't say that line because I don't know what it does to the environment. I just know I'm recycling from my end, so yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Once again, thanks for joining me today. I hope you had a few good laughs, and I hope you learned something along the way. Don't forget to smash that like button if you felt like this video helped you out in any way or you enjoyed it. And consider subscribing for more videos. And like always, guys, think for the future, enjoy your present, and don't focus too much on the past. Peace.